In the last class, we have learned how to open stick figure builder window, and we have learned how to add line, how to add circle, and how to change the thickness of the circle. Today, we are going to learn how to create a new figure animation. Now, children, today we are going to learn how to create an own stick figure. Now, we are going to learn how to create our own stick figure. To create your own stick figure, click on File menu, select Create Figure Type option, then the stick figure builder window will open. Now what we must do, children? Now go to File menu, then click on Create Figure Type. Then when you click on Create Figure Type, you can see stick figure builder window will be displayed or will appear on the screen. Now I'll show you. Now you all know how to open pivot stick figure, children. Yes, go to search and type pivot, then you can see pivot window will be appear on the screen. Now this is the way where you can open your stick. Now this is the way where you can open pivot window. Now we will learn how to open stick figure window. Now to go to stick figure builder window, click on stick figure. Now here in the pivot stick figure, you can see, children, here figure window, edit figure window, go to edit figure window. Then you can see stick figure window will be displayed. Create your own figure. Now I am going to draw an hut here by using stick figure builder window. Now here, now you can see different kinds of options are here. Now we can select the add line. Now we are going to select add line button. Click on add line button. Then you can draw a line like this. Now you all know how to draw a hut, children. Yes. Just see how I am drawing it. Press the left mouse button. Select the line. Click on the segments and drag it and press left mouse button so that you can draw a line, add a line. Select, drag it, press left button. Again go to add line button. Now here you can see the dot. The dots are known as segments. Go to segment, attach it, drag it and press left button. Again go to add line button, select the add line and put it on the segment and press left button. In this way you can draw your own figure, children. Now we are going to add it. After creating a figure, to add it to the animation, what we must do? Go to File menu and go to Add Animation. To add to animation, we must go to Add Animation. Then you type there as house, H-O-U-S-E, house. Then click OK. Now your figure has been added to the animation. Then it will display a small window called figure window. There you should enter the name. We have entered the name. Then click open button. Then you can see the figure has been displayed on the screen. In this way we can create your own figure and add it to the animation. Once again I'll show you, children. Once again I'll show you, children. Just see here. After creating your own figure, to add it to the current animation, click the file menu. You must go to file menu. I showed you. Select the add to animation option. We must go to add to animation option. Then it will display a small window called figure name. Now you can see a small window. Here you have to type the name of the figure. There you should enter the name. Now we have given the name as house. Then afterwards click OK button. The figure will be added to the animation. Now what is animation, children? Animation is nothing but the movement of the images. See, an animation can be created by a series of frames. where each frame differs slightly from the previous frame. Example, cartoons and videos. Children, animation is nothing but the movement of the images. Now, series means some or more frames. Series means some or more frames where each frame differs slightly from previous frame. Example, cartoons and video games. Now, what is frame, children? All the frames will be displayed on the timeline. Now I'll show it to you. Now here you can see. Now here this is known as timeline button. What are the frames you are creating that can be shown on the timeline frame? Now here the scroll bar underneath the frames can be used to view the part of the animation. Now here this is the scroll bar which is present underneath the frames. This is used to view the part of the animation if the number of frames exceed the width of the window. If there are many frames, you can use this scroll bar to view the frames. An animation can be created by creating a series of frames where each frame differs from the previous. Add frame allows you to add one or more frames on the timeline. Timeline shows all the frames in the animation at the top of the main window. Yes, here what are the animations you have created? You can see all the frames on the timeline. Now creating first animation. Now children will learn how to create first animation. Before starting, I will teach you what are the steps how to create an animation. Steps to create an animation in Pivot Animator. Move the stick figure to the starting position. What we must do? You must move the stick figure to the starting position. Now you can see I have moved it to the starting position. Next one, change the positions of the stick figure of the parts shown in the movement. Parts to show the movement. Now what we must do, just change the position of the stick figure so that just move it so that you can, yes, we have changed the position of the stick figure as if it is walking. What is the next step? Add a new frame. After making changes, what we must do? We must add it to the frame. You can see a frame has been added to the timeline button. Now change the position of the part to show the next movement. Now what do? I want to move the stick figure. How to move? When we are walking, children will move our hands and legs to walk. Yes, in the same way I'll make stick figure to move. Slowly I'm moving hand and slowly moving the legs. And I will I will add it to the add frame button. Now what are the changes I'm doing? It will be added to the timeline, in the timeline box. Add button. Now again I'll move the legs. Slowly move the legs. I'll move the body. I'll move the hands. Add frame. Now I've just given the movement of the hands and legs. Now I want to move the body. Go to orange dot. Orange dot is nothing but orange origin. By using orange origin, you can give the movement of the frame. Now make the next set of changes. Now already we have shown you the changes, how to give the movements to the stick figure. By using red dot segments, we can just move the hands and legs and the body. If you want to move from one place to other place, we must use orange origin. Add frame. Click on add frame. What are the changes you are giving? I'm adding to the add frame button. Whenever I'm adding to add frame, it will add to timeline frame. Slowly in the same way you can give the movements unless you reach. Add another frame and repeat 1 to 7 the same till you reach till you require. In the same way you can give animation movement of the stick figure. Okay children? Yes. Now I will show you how to play the animation. Play. Now you can see the movement over here. Stop. By using stop button we can stop the animation. Do you like to save? Yes. Save as dialog box will appear. Type. Save. Type the movement of stick figure and click save. Your animation will be saved. In this way you can create the animation. Children, whatever I have shown you here, there is a description. Create an animation showing stick man is walking. Click the file menu, click new file. Move the stick figure to the rightmost position of the start to walking. Change the segment showing the stick man is ready to walk. See children, you can see the stick man is ready to walk. Here, as soon as the stick figure appears on the screen, we have changed the direction of the stick figure as stick figure is ready to walk. Yes. Now add the frame button to add the first frame. Now we have given the first frame. Now children, after moving the stick figure, yes. Now change the position of hands and legs appropriately from the original position to take the next position. Yes, I showed you, no children. To move the stick figure, you must move the move on the segments to move the hands and legs of the stick figure. If you want to move from one place to other place, use the orange dot. Now play animation. I have already shown you how to play the animation. Click on play button in the player control panel. To stop the animation, click on stop button in player control panel. If you deselect the loop checkbox, then the animation will be played once. Now we have seen, no children, what is this control panel? By using this control panel we can play the animation, we can stop the animation. Now open animation. How to open the animation? If you want to open the animation, click the file menu, select open animation. The open window will be displayed. Now children, now we have learned how to save the animation. Now we will learn how to open the animation. The file which you have saved, if you want to open the same animation, go to file menu, click on open animation. Then open dialog box will open. Now select movement of stick figure. Just now we have learned how to move the stick figure. Then click open. Now you can see the window which you have saved that can be opened by clicking on open option. With this we have completed the lesson.